Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can go to patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Spots are filling up. I have 2 tiers left. Once those tiers are up, there's nobody joining the Patreon anymore unless people fall off, right? Those things are locked and they're capped and they're filling up. So positions, right now it's about 10-20 bucks a month. If these things fill up, you will have to pay minimum at least $500 to $600 one-time fee for everything. And this is not going to be really a TA video as opposed to just kind of sauce. I already did a TA video SPX and where overall I think the market is going, right? So we have been dropping pretty significantly lately. I did think we were going to have a little bit of a recovery to SPY to SPX 509 and 513. That wasn't the case. We actually completely died the last couple of days. So I thought here we're gonna push up to at least 509 or 510 before dropping super hard, right? We actually ended up just dropping really hard. I thought we were gonna have a little bit of recovery, but I don't really care. I'm in BABA puts and CLSK puts, so I don't really care about where the market goes, or at least on SPY, you know, as long as BABA and CLSK start dropping, you know, I don't really care too much. But currently right now, I wanted to show you guys, you know, all the positions that hit with the breakout strategy. Let's go with this one. All right, so PLTR, there we go. And again, this is all stuff that I just, you know, reiterating, right? So PLTR hit target as soon as he broke here, right? Target would have been 21 bucks. That hit, I think, a couple days ago. AMD hit, right? Let's go with AMD. Sure, AMD hit, I think, target like a day or two ago, right? TSM would have been a really good short to get into yesterday or the day before, right? Probably, actually, never mind. This would have probably not been a good setup because earnings is right there. So I would have not taken TSM, even though it's probably going to hit target. BABA, again, BABA is starting to come down. Target is 66 bucks within the next day or two. Oh, no, sorry, within the next, like, you know, week, maybe 2 weeks. I have month output, so I don't really care too much about, you know, how long it takes. BA, right? BA entry would have been here somewhere, right? Target would have been 177, 171. That hit a couple days ago. XOM. Oh, I don't have anything on XOM. Disney is a good short right now. Disney looks like it's going to be a really good short. I don't know if it'll actually be a good short because we have earnings right around the corner. I don't know if I would risk it. This is what? May 7th. May 7th is 1, 2, 3 weeks to get away. I mean, maybe this would be a good setup, I guess. I mean, you could short in the money puts at 111 or 112 and target would be here at 106. But because, again, you're close to earnings, I mean, I would buy month out puts and then get out right before. If you hit anywhere around this area, maybe get out. But Disney looks like a really good put right now. BAC already hit, right? Bank of America, I can tell you right now, this probably hit a couple days ago. See? Yeah, this hit right away. This hit back here, all the way to second fib. Before earnings, Snow, I think Snow hit a couple days ago. Yeah, Snow hit, let me see. Whoops. Snow hit, I think, like Tuesday. So Snow hit target on Tuesday. You know, UNH, right? UNH hit target back here. I need to redo the UNH stuff. That one hit. AMC hit. You know, AMC target hit quite a while ago. AMC hit target back on March 22nd and again on March 27th. So that one was an easy short. AMC. Nike. Do I have anything on Nike? Nothing yet on Nike. Let me see. Neo. Anything on Neo? Yeah, Neo target hit. Right? It would have been somewhere around like $5 probably. That probably hit a bit ago. I need to redo the TA on Nike. Shop. Yeah, Shop hit. Actually, I had to redo it. This is from the old. Yeah, I mean, it hit over here on the bull side, right? It hit up here on the bull side, so it did hit fib, and then it came right back down. But I had to redo this, so this would have probably hit target somewhere like around April 10th or something. Shop. You have Square. Square just hit target probably a couple days ago. I'll tell you that right now. Look, Square hit target. Yeah, Square hit target April 4th. Yeah, bro. I mean, it could keep going, right? I'm not gonna do too much right now. But again, everything is kind of coming down. ES, trying to see where ES is. ES looks like it's hitting a top a little bit. I do want it to go a little bit higher because I do have a sell limit up here at 507. So I'm going to be holding these a little bit longer. I don't know if we actually come back down. Let me actually check the full SPX on where I think it's going to go today. Because I know we already recovered a whole bunch. I'm trying to see if the top of channel already hit. The 4 hour, go back to candles. Oh yeah, we already hit top of channel. So I don't know. I mean, you're still pretty strong on the bull side, honestly. This could keep pushing up higher. I mean, you could drop from here, or you could keep going up. I don't have like an exact direction, so I really don't know where we can go today. As far as like right now, I would say if you want to short, I'd probably wait to short till you hit like a 504 SPX, maybe 507. But I think more than likely, you're probably going to hit a 504 SPX before coming back down, or because of all the selling pressure, you could just dive straight down from here. But again, if you want to short, right, I'd probably wait till it's at 504 because you have liquid up here on the 4 hour also, right? So I'd probably wait to short, and then this will probably come back down to like a 40, like a 491 SPX maybe sometime next week. But again, yeah, I mean, I want to short here. You're two in the middle to take shorts. Maybe long with stops up to 504. But again, I would short this, but I would need this to come up here at like 5045 in order for me to like really want to like short it. On the ES, where's the fib? 504, 507 is my shorts actually. So maybe a little bit higher. I don't know. Direction is kind of funky. I'd wait at least till 504, 507 to short. I wouldn't short today, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.